when a company is making a big investment by properly and fully integrating Microsoft 365, we also need to upgrade the end user skills beyond a basic orientation. This involves training the users on the Teams and OneDrive desktop, web, and mobile apps. We have the users complete a sequence of short, to the point, demo heavy videos where a useful app feature is explained to them and then showing the feature to them in a demo, all within a 1 to 2 minute video clip. And then every few videos, they're asked a quiz question to make sure they're actually paying attention, not just clicking through. And within 30 to 60 minutes over a few weeks, they'll have learned the best new features of working with files inside of Microsoft 365, and their skills will have been upgraded along with the IT system that they're working with. And we also need to train the IT managers. We need to show them how to easily add or remove users or guest users, how to access the second stage recycle bin, and how to set and manage retention and compliance policies for company files so that the files are protected from double deletions or to meet data compliance requirements in their industry, and how to create new shared folders and teams, and how to set up teams restrictions so people aren't just creating any team groups and folders whenever and wherever they want. And then there, of course, is the matter of properly configuring the data security management for your files in a modern Microsoft 365 XDR and MDM context. Sometimes companies talk to us and ask if we can just migrate the files using their existing Microsoft 365 Business Standard or E3 license without fully integrating Microsoft Defender XDR and Intune. While technically you could, it isn't something we do. We perform file migrations to Microsoft 365 using a fully and properly deployed Microsoft 365 Business Premium, Microsoft 365 E5, or Microsoft 365 F1 license before we even begin the sync of a client's data into Microsoft 365. We get Microsoft Defender XDR and Intune configured and deployed across all Microsoft 365 cloud services and end user Windows OS and Mac OS computers and iOS and Android mobile apps.